How to add profile picture to contacts on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to add profile picture to contacts on Android phone. First then just open go to your contacts, and now just select any contact you want, like cast this one, and now click edit, and here you will find here you can edit your contact. Now just click here on your contact profile, and then click choose from gallery, and then you can add that. It's easy, and that's how to add profile picture to your contacts on Android phone. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.